guys, good afternoon. This is Faith and with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you'll like the video and decide to become a subscriber. If you do like it, give me a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. It does help my channel to grow and I truly appreciate your support. So what I want to do today is, of course, we're still in that Christmas theme. So I want to do a Dollar Tree Christmas decor. This is going to be 2 Dollar Tree candle holders. What you will need for that is foam. So you're going to need 1.5 piece of foam. You will need your glue gun and glue sticks. You'll also need scissors. You'll need a cookie cutter because we want to do a tree today. And 2 of the Dollar Tree candle holder. These are the tea light holders. You will need spray paint and we will get started on this. So I've got to mention, you definitely would need a knife. The reason for the knife is once you have placed your cookie cutter in, you want to go on the inside and begin to go all the way down. Okay, so once it's dried, you're going to want to, at this point, spray paint. But because I had an accident, I went ahead and glued mine back together. And so just to get it secure and to hide some of the blemishes, I'm going to go ahead and decoupage some sand onto my stand. So before I go to that process, what I want to do is go ahead and measure out my candle, the bottom of it, on both the bottom and the top, just so I have a measurement. You can use a knife, you can use a pen, whatever works best for you. I have this knife right here already, so I'm just going to go ahead and outline it. Once you've got your line, you're going to go ahead and insert your knife all the way around. Guys, so you want to cover the entire thing with Mod Podge, except for the bottom. Don't cover the bottom. While the first one is drying, I went ahead and followed the same process. And now I am just going to cut out my snowman. This one is going to be a snowman. And basically, for this candle holder, what you're going to need is pretty much the same thing, except you will need to have glitter. I want to go ahead and make this one glam. So I'm going to go ahead, finish the same process, and then I'll be back to share with you, just as I did with the sand. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out, and I will let this dry and then I'll come back and show what both of them look like after I've glued in our candle holder. Okay guys, so this is how the candle holders turned out. I hope you like the way that they look. If you do, give me a thumbs up and please share the video with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support. I look forward to hearing from you. Let me know which one of these you would recreate for your home. All right, guys, I will see you on my next DIY.